Hey buddy, today in this video we're going to be making carrot bacon in the air fryer. Let's begin. We have here one organic carrot peeled, and the first thing what we're going to do is prepare the sauce. We need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, the next important ingredient you'll need is liquid smoke. We have here hickory and mesquite, but my favorite is hickory, so we're going to be using that. Let's open it up. Okay, we're going to put a half a tablespoon of the liquid smoke. It's hickory. Okay, half a tablespoon. We're going to need 2 tablespoons of honey. There you go, 2 tablespoons of honey. Next, we're gonna need 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of garlic salt. There you go. Then you take everything and mix it all together. Should look something like this. Make sure to stir everything nice and even. And lastly, add some black pepper. We're going to add half a teaspoon of black pepper and stir everything together. Okay, we have the sauce ready. We're going to put that on the side. And now we're going to make the carrot bacon. Just press down really hard and make slices like that. Push down as hard as you can because you want it thick as possible. Go. Should look something like this. Okay, it's all sliced up. Make sure to apply some pressure when you slice the carrot so you can get as thick as possible and as wide as possible. Now we're gonna take all the carrots and we're just gonna put them into the sauce. Make sure to coat the carrot nice and even. It smells really good already with the liquid smoke. And remember, that's a crucial ingredient for this recipe. Okay, it's nicely coated, and now we're gonna preheat the air fryer. Okay, we're gonna preheat the air fryer at 350 degrees, and we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer's been preheated. Let's put the bacon in. First thing what we're gonna do is spray some olive oil. There we go. And now we're gonna put in the bacon. Okay, we have the bacon in the basket. Let's put it in. We're going for 350 degrees for 5 minutes. Okay, it's been 5 minutes at 350 degrees. Let's take it out. Looking good, let's take it out. Okay, this is what we have today, carrot bacon made in the air fryer. It's really delicious, give it a try. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.